I was gifted this silicone cooking utensil set from the brand Vayvnt, and I have to start by saying I absolutely love the blue color. It is such a pretty shade and it adds a nice pop of color to the kitchen. You get 10 different utensils in the set, so it pretty much covers everything that you need for everyday cooking. There's a spatula, whisk, turners, spoonula, skimmer, pasta server, ladle, tongs, and even a basting brush. They're made from food-grade silicone and are heat-resistant up to 480 degrees, which is great for cooking on the stovetop. I also really like that the silicone is soft enough to use with a nonstick cookware without having to worry about scratching your pans. One of my favorite features is the one-piece design, which just means that there aren't a bunch of seams or little crevices where food could get stuck and bacteria could grow. It just makes them so much easier to clean. And they're dishwasher safe, which is always a huge plus. Overall, this is a really nice, complete utensil set for everyday cooking. You get a great variety of tools, they're easy to clean, safe for nonstick cookware, and the blue color is just so pretty. So if you're looking to replace your kitchen utensils or just want a matching set that looks nice in your kitchen, this is definitely a great option to check out. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.